Good morning class, I am Govind Vyas from Cambridge Convent School, Bikaner. Students, today we are going to start exercise 17.5 of the chapter 17, measures of central tendency. Okay, so in this chapter we are basically going to deal with the questions related to median. Okay, so firstly we will write the formula. What is the formula of median? There are almost 4 types of questions in the median. We will discuss them all. So firstly, very easy type of questions. What are the formula for those? Firstly you write the formula, then I will explain everything related to questions. Okay, fine. So there are 2 formula in initial state of finding a median. We are calculating median. There may be 2 conditions. If number of terms, if there are how many numbers? Odd numbers. If the numbers are odd, then what will be the formula of median? Then formula of median will be n plus 1 upon 2 th. n plus 1 upon 2 th. And if numbers are even, if number of terms are even, then what will be formula? N upon 2 th plus n upon 2 plus 1 th and upon 2. If number of terms are even, then this formula will be used. For odd number, this one, and for even number, this one. These are the formula. Okay, and one thing you must keep in mind, that if you are given a question, you must firstly write all the numbers in the ascending order. If you have solved the question as it is directly applying the formula, your question will be incorrect. Firstly, convert the sequence of the number into ascending order. Fine. So let me firstly do question number 1 for you. Question number 1. There are numbers. It is saying find the median of the following variates. Numbers are 25, 34, 33, 13, 20, 26, 36, 28, 19 and 34. Fine. So we have written all the numbers. Now what we are supposed to do? Firstly, we have to convert the sequence of the number in the ascending order. Ascending order is must. Okay. Ascending means from smaller to greater. Right? Ascending means from smaller to greater. So which one of the following is the smallest number? 13. We are solving the question from here. We are writing them in the ascending order. In ascending order. Okay. So smallest number is 13. What after 13? 19. Fine. What after 19? 20. Okay, 20 is noted. After this, 25. 25. After this, 26. Fine. Then 26 is done. After 26, 28. Clear? 28 is done. What after 28? 33. 33 is used. Now 34, 34. 2 times. 34, 34. Okay. This is done. This is done. Last number is 36. 36. Okay. So all these numbers has been written in the form of ascending order. Clear? So what we are now doing? Now we will apply the formula. So this is the ascending order. By the help of this sequence we will find the answer. Okay. So our first step is done. Now what is second step? The second step is we will find out whether these are odd numbers or even numbers. Check, count them, count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 numbers. Count again if we are not doing mistake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 numbers. 10 is an even number or odd number? Of course it is an even number. Even number. So this formula will be used. Okay, the formula of this formula will be used. Okay, so we are using this formula now. I will solve it here. Okay, there are 10 numbers. So I will write n is equal to 10. There is n in this formula. What is n? Counting of this number. These are 10 numbers, so n is 10. I have written 10 there. Okay. Now what? Now we will apply the formula. N upon 2, that means 10 upon 2. There is th. What is this th? You might get confused that what is this th? Th everywhere. You will get to know this in the second last step. N upon 2, 10 upon 2. th plus n upon 2 plus 1. 10 upon 2 plus 1. th upon 2 upon 2. Okay. Now 10 upon 2 is 5. 5. th is here. th plus 10 upon 2 is again 5 plus 1 is here plus 1. th is here. th upon 2. This is 2. Okay. Now write it as it is. 5. I am solving this here. 5 th plus 5 plus 1 6 th upon 2. Okay. 5 and 6 upon 2. Fine. I hope it is clear to you. Now what is this th means? We say second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. That th is fifth, sixth. It just means that number of question, that sequence, that particular point of question, number. Okay. It is written here fifth. I will solve it here now. Fifth. What is fifth number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth number is 26. Plus. This is sixth. It was fifth. This is sixth. 28. Upon 2. Okay. Keep in mind there is written fifth and sixth. Don't add 5 and 6. We have to add fifth number and sixth number. Okay. Fine. Now what? This is it will be solved soon now. Add them. 26 plus 28. I will solve this here. Okay. 26 plus 28. What will be this? 8 plus 6, 14. 14, 4. 1 carry. This will be 5 upon 2. 26 plus 28 will be 54 upon 2. What is 54 upon 2? 54 upon 2 is 27. So 27 is the median of this question. I hope it is clear to you. You can note it in the proper sequence. Okay. So 27 is your median, sorry. It is your median. So in this way you will solve the median of the even number of questions. Okay, now we are doing the question number 2. I am erasing it. Fine. Now question number 2 we are solving. Find the median of the following data. I will write the numbers. We are doing question number 2 now. 19, 25, 59, 48, 35, 31, 30, 32, 51. Okay, we have written the question. It is giving something more in this, but first we will find the median of the question so far. Okay, we have to find its median. We have to find its median. So what is the first step we do? We will write this in ascending order. Okay, so write in ascending order. In short form I have written write in ascending order. Okay, WIAO. So what is the smallest number? 19 is the smallest number. Then 19 is done. What after 19? 25 is the smallest number. 25 is done. What after 25? 30. Okay. What after 30? 31. After this 32. After 32, 35. Okay. After 35, 48. After 48, 51. 48 is done. 51 is done. This is final 59. Okay. So all numbers are written. Fine. Our first step is complete. We have written this in ascending order. Now what? Now we will find the how many numbers, count them, how many numbers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 numbers are there. So n is 9. This is odd or even? 9 is odd or even? 9 is, of course, 9 is an odd number. So we will apply the formula of odd number. What is this? Given to us. So what will be median? We will find. Apply the formula. N plus 1. N is 9. 9 plus 1 upon 2 th. 9 plus 1, 10 upon 2 th. What is 10 upon 2? 5 th. Fifth. Fifth is 5 is not answer. It says fifth number. Count the fifth number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 32. The fifth number 32. 32 is the answer. Clear? So the median of this question will be 32. So first and second question has been solved. Though see, in this question it says, its second part is also there. It says if 25 is replaced by 52, then what will be the new median? 25 is replaced by 52. That means in this question there was 25 if this is 52. At the place of 25, if we write 52, then it is clear that this sequence will be changed. Yes, this 25 will be removed from here. After 51, 52 will come, then 59 will come, right? This question is changed. Still there are 9 numbers. Formula will be same, 10 upon 2. Yes. Fifth number. What will be fifth number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At that time 35 will be median. I have just explained you this orally. You solve that. Okay. So your practice must be there. Will. Okay. Now from my side second question is solved. See, now we are doing with third question. Okay. The third question, sorry, yes, third question. it is in tabular form. I will write, we have been given marks and number of students. Students, keep this in mind that I have been solving it directly. The question is written in your book already, I will solve it directly. There are some marks given to us and number of students are there. The upper portion of the table, the upper side of the table is always x, clear, x, and the lower part is always f. So I am solving it directly. I am solving the question number 3. X, f. Okay, what is x? 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. These are x. What about f? 2, 8, 16, 26, 20, 16, 7, 4. Fine? Okay. Fine. X and f. How will you solve the median? If the median is in tabular form, it is different way to solve this. See what is this. So we are given f. Now write CF. CF. What is CF means? Commutative frequency. This f is frequency, this f is commutative frequency, means addition. How will we add this? See this, very easy. 2 is here, write this 2 as it is. Write this 2 as it is. Now how will you add? What will you add? Add in inclined manner, and see how will we add this. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 16, 26. 26 plus 26, 52. 52 plus 20, 72. 72 plus 16, 88. 88 plus 7, what it will be? It will be 95. 95 plus 4, it will be 99. Okay. See this sum again. 2 as it is written, 2 plus 8, 10. 10 plus 16, 26. 26 plus 26, 52. 52 plus 20, 72. 72 plus 16, it will be 88. 88 plus 7, it will be 95. 95 plus 4, 99. Okay. This is 99. The end number is 99. Now what? Now what? We have added this in inclined manner, in steps manner. Okay. Now what? The final number of the CF, the last number of CF, 99. This is known as capital N. Capital N is 99. Okay. Last number capital, this is capital N, 99. What will you do? You will do N upon 2. Divide this by 2. 99 upon 2. Done. Okay. What will you get when you divide this? When you divide this, you will get 49.5. When you divide this, you will get 49.5. Fine? Okay. 49.5. Now what you are supposed to do? The CF table is most important in this question. CF table. Okay. 49.5. In CF table, which number is greater than 49.5? In CF table, which number is greater than 49.5? 2 is small, 10 is small, 26 is small. This is greater. This is greater. Highlight this. 52 is greater. 52 is greater than 49.5. We have highlighted this table. Okay. Now, in this table, what is x? In this highlighted box, what is x? 52, the x is 30. X is 30. This is median. This is our answer. Clear? The greater number than 49.5 in CF table is 52. What is just in front of 52? 30. X, value of x, this will be median always. Okay, 30 is the answer. So see, I have solved question number 3 for you. Question number 4th and 5th, both questions are as similar as question number 3. So you yourself will solve that in this way. 17.5 is completed from my side. Okay, so solve the remaining questions, similar questions, and if you are having any problem you can ask me. Okay, like the channel, share and subscribe. Okay, thank you.